Okay, so today we are going to solve two of the questions of the lead code, which is related to the DSO topic. The first one is the simple one, which is the medium lead code question, which says that we need to find the number of different connections. Okay, now what does the question says actually is let's just go to the question only. Okay, okay. So the question says that there are n computers numbered from 0 to n minus 1 connected by Ethernet cables connections, forming a network where connections of I is equal to AI BI. Okay. Represent a connection between computers AI and BI. Now, any computer can reach any other computer directly or indirectly through the network. Now, you are given an initial computer network connections which says that the edges. Okay. So if there is n is equal to 4, then there are total 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Connections is between 0, 1, 0, 2, and 1, 2. You can extract certain cables between two directly connected computers and place them between any pair of disconnected computers to make them directly connected. You can cut from any of the directly connected and connect it to the disconnected computers. Now we need to return the minimum number of times we need to do this in order to make all the computers connected. If it is not possible, return minus 1. Okay, the question is very simple. You can solve it with the simple DFS also, but we will be solving it with the DS. Okay, so the question says that this is the example 0, 1, 2. Okay, these are connected, and this is the computer 3. Now you can maybe cut down this wire and put it here so that this all are connected. Okay. So initially we have total how many number of different connected components? So there are two different components we have, two different components. Okay. That we will be able to know why via DSU with the help of parent. So if parent of I is equal to I, that means that's a separate component in itself. Okay. Now we need to find the number of extra edges which we have to cut. Okay. So for all the connections, let's say first 0 and 1, this connection came. Then I'll join it into the DSU. Then for 1, the parent became 0. Okay. Now the connection, let's say 1, 2 came. Okay. So I'll connect 1 with 2. And for 2, the parent became 0. Okay. Because 1's parent is 0. So 2's parent will be 1's parent, which is 0. Okay. And now 0 and 2 connection came. Again, I'll connect 0 with 2, but I'll not connect. Why? Because anyways, 2's parent is 0 and 0's parent is also 0. That means they are connected. So I don't need this connection. So this is an extra edge. So the point where we don't need connection, no need of connection, those are our extra edges. And how can we know that? When already their parents are same in the DSU. When their parents are same in DSU. How come same? Because initially they have joined via this line where their parents became similar. They are a part of one tree only in the DSU. So now we don't need this extra edge and we can remove this extra edge. So we can just count this number of extra edges. We know the number of different components. So there are two different components. To connect two different components, we will need only one edge. And this extra edges should always be greater than equal to your number of components minus 1, then your requirement will be satisfied. Then you will need this much wires, component minus 1, else you will return minus 1. Simple. Okay, so let's just solve this first. DSU class will be same, but today we will be writing it in one of the question and another we can use the same thing. Okay, so we have class DSU public int n int size vector of int parent and size. Okay, now you have constructed with intent size is equal to n and parent dot resize n size dot resize n. For int I 0, I less than n, I plus plus, parent of I is equal to I and size of I is equal to 1. Now you have int find parent int u, this is your node. So if u is equal to find parent of u sorry, if u is equal to parent of u, then return parent of u, otherwise return parent of u is equal to find parent of u. Okay, cool. Now you have void union int u int v. U is equal to find parent of u, v is find parent of v. If u is not equal to v, if size of u is lesser than size of v, we'll swap u and v. Okay, parent of v is equal to parent of u, and size of u plus equal to size of that. Int get size int u, return size of. Okay, now we have n is the total number of computers, and this is the connections. So what we'll do for int i0, I less than connections dot size minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, int u is your connections of i0, and v is connections of i1. Now if, okay, we need to have one DSU class. Okay. So DSU. Okay. Now if DSU dot find parent of u is not equal to DSU dot find parent of v. That means those two are not yet connected. Then we need to connect them. So we'll just union these two nodes. Otherwise, else we'll have this extra edges plus plus. That is the variable of number of extra edges. Cool? Okay. Now for int i0, I less than n, I plus plus. If we'll have the components in components. If I is equal to DSU dot find parent of I. Okay, if this is the same, then we will return, then we will do components plus plus for sure. Okay, now your extra edges should always be greater than equal to components minus 1. So if your extra edges is greater than equal to components minus 1, we will return components minus 1, else we'll return minus 1. Done? Okay. Okay, this should be components minus 1. Cool. Oh, this should be connections dot size only. Y minus 1. Okay, done. Now we'll move on to another question, which is a little bit harder. Okay, which is little called hard one. I think it's this one. Fine. The question says that we are given two strings x and y, which are considered similar if they are identical, or we can make them identical by swapping at most two letters in distinct positions within the string x. We can just swap maximum 2 letters. Okay. So for example, TARS and RATS are similar because we'll swap T with R, swapping at positions 0 and 2. And rats and arts are similar because rats and arts are like swapping just R and A. But star is not similar to TRS, RATS, or ARTS. And together this form two connected groups by similarity. One is TRS, RATS, ARTS, and another is star. Notice that TRS and ARTS are in the same group, even though they are not similar. Okay, they are not similar. TRS and RATS is similar, RATS and ARTS is similar, but still they are in one group because it is at least similar to one of the string in the group. So formally each group is such that a word is in the group if and only if it is similar to at least one other word in that group. Now we are given a list of strings where every string is STRs, is an anagram of every other strings. So how many groups are there that we need to find? So here these three are one group and star is another group. That's what we have seen. In OMV, OVM, it's just MNV, so just one group. Okay. Your length is 300. So anyways, we can do n square. Okay, we can just we'll take one of the string and we'll check with each of the other strings whether it is similar or not similar. If similar, we will do the union of them. Okay, if similar, we will do the union of them. If not, we will not do the union. And here your size will be what indexes. Indexes you need to union because how can strings you will union? Okay, so you will union their indices. And the number of components is like when I is equal to their parent, that means you will get the total number of groups or total number of components which can be formed. Cool. Let's just copy paste your DSU class simply over here, which will remain common. Okay, fine. We have DSU of size n. The size n will be your size of strings. Okay. Now we need to have another function which is like is similar or not. Okay. So this will return bool is similar. So there will be string ampersand s1 and string ampersand s2. Okay. Anyways, these are anagrams, so the size will be same. So int n is equal to s1 dot size. Now for int I0, I less than n, I plus plus, if s1 of I is not equal to s2 of I, then count plus plus. We'll have this count. Okay. And return count should always be less than or equal to 2. It should not be, it should be 0, 1 or 2. Anyways, it should be either 0 or 2. Okay, it shouldn't be 1. That only one string is, one character is not matching. If it's not matching, it will be 2 characters only, which is not matching because these are anagrams. Okay, fine. Now we have DSU class enabled. So for int I0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. For int J0, sorry, J is equal to I plus 1 till J less than n, J plus plus. If is similar, what? If is similar, STRs of I and STRs of J, that means we can union I with J. Okay. And now your answer will be the for int I0, I less than n, I plus plus. If I is equal to DSU dot find parent of I, then we will do answer plus plus and we will return that answer. Okay. See, this is LeetCode hard, but with the DSU, we have solved it very easily. You just need to group it, and now you'll be able to see how DSU questions are solved. How come the questions will be asked? It should be mainly related to the number of different components or something related to the components, groupings, group by some similarities. Okay, that's what I said yesterday. It's like group by some similar features that you need to group in one group and another into other group, and then you need to solve it. Cool. Okay. Next video will be solving DSU with C, DSU with DFS, DSU with some math algorithm, okay? Combination of DSU with some other algorithms. So stay tuned for next video. If you have learned a lot, do like, share, and subscribe.